and a fork, we eat. Why you still looking for that bitch? She cheat. Snatch soul.
We'll get to the minorities chat. Jameer, Ghostface, Monkey App, Halloween special.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
What's your favorite scary movie?
You scaring me.
Take off with this mask, please.
Damn.
I don't know if I should be scared or if I should be turned on.
Massage, put another hole in your ass.
You lucky fine.
You fine as fuck. What's up?
What's up?
Let's take the mask off together on 3.
Oh shit, okay.
Jesus Christ.
For the study. Let me see some. Shake it.
Yeah, we're throwing hands, so I'm sorry.
You scaring me.
I'm trying to make you scream, not scare you.
You scaring me.
I'm still scared. You happy now?
Yeah.
How old are you?
21.
I'm trying to make you scream. What's up?
What's your Instagram?
Oh, wait a minute, who is this?
I'm trying to make you scream.
Who is
I'm adding that to the bag, I'm adding that to the bag.
Take off with this mask, please.
Damn, what you mean?
Hey, this
What's
nigga
your
really
favorite
shit
scary movie?
spirited.
You my favorite scary movie. We can make a movie together. It's gonna be real scary.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, good. How old are you?
19.
I'ma
Ready for
stop.
the pipey.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh my.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Let's watch it together. I'm trying to make you scream while we watch it.
Yeah, we can.
It went in?
Yeah, it did.
It's the shot of the air. Good.
It went in. Yeah, he viewed that shit. Yeah, we know we get shit get copyright. Shout out to
You like
Jimmy
that?
and Family.
That'll make me scream.
This cannot fuck with me, son.
I can still make you scream. So, am I cute enough to get your IG?
Would it be bad if I told you I was actually 15?
Yo, that nigga is
I'm
gone.
trying to fuck, yeah, I don't give a fuck, ho. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm trying to.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You trying to eat the dick up?
Wait, hold on. Check.
Oh, my turn. Massage, put another hole in your ass.
Put blood on the walls and play tennis with your balls. If the phone rings, don't answer that.
Can we see your face, please?
I know you want me. She want me too. You know, so you better shoot your shot.
So what's that snap?
Can we see your face though?
Don't laugh at me, bro.
Okay, I'm sure you look good.
Why you start laughing already?
Who's
Yes, sir.
Y'all funny.
So why do you have that shit on your face?
Why you got that shit on your face?
My makeup?
No, the fucking dick.
You know what, Robert? Fuck you and everybody who live in your
I can't wear a mask now.
Take it off. Let me see.
What? Do I need to put the mask back on?
Nope.
Hell no.
Hello, Mr. Ghostface.
How you doing?
Let's see under that mask, sir.
Show us. Oh my god.
Wait, hello?
Wait, hi.
Wait, hello?
Hello,
Wait, I'm
hi.
nervous.
Why you get nervous all of a sudden?
Yo, I missed the content.
How old are you?
Yo,
We're
missed
20
the
years
content. That's all.
Wait, can I get your Instagram?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Hey. It's going crazy.
Ew.
Ew. Bitch, have you looked at yourself?
Jimmy, crazy with it. Jimmy, you're not letting no money off of this.
Well, let me sing to you.
All these
raindrops falling down my window.
Ooh. Damn, you pregnant?
She pregnant?
Oh.
Oh.
Has anybody sexed you lately?
Oh.
I don't know if I should be scared or if I should be turned on or scared and turned on at the same time. I don't know what's going on.
Cracked. She only cracked.
I gotta put the mask back on.
No, you can leave it off. You can leave it off. It ain't no point. Like, you know, I like seeing the face. I don't like talking to AIs and shit.
This is an AI.
This is the AI.
I'm 21.
Hey, let's skip all the bullshit. I need to know.
You are not the Dragon Warrior. You will never be the Dragon Warrior.
Yo.
Ghostface says
Jamaica.
Mind your own business.
But what's the face card looking like? Is it giving 10 out of 10?
You made me blush.
Whoa, baby, baby.
Yeah, niggas that go call one of your hoes and won't cuff.
I don't got one.
What, you the problem? It's like you dry as fuck, crazy as fuck, you picky as fuck.
Tricky.
You was so picky about you. Like how you like your niggas. Besides me, obviously, I look mad good and shit. But like personality wise, like how you like your niggas? Look at me when you so say.
Like, it just depends.
Right.
Like, if I like you, I like you. If I don't, I don't.
How you feel about being my friend?
How many girlfriends do you have?
I got people that confide in me and shit.
They confide in you.
Trying to confide in me. Invent to me when you want to.
Why not?
He really did it! He did it!
Hey.
Chipotle bag tatted. Him with the screen mask?
Bro, the Chipotle bag tatted.
What's under the mask?
Yo, she good, bro.
Yeah, get a go. Get a go.
Yo, God.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
I rebuke you. Kinda bad though. How to eat. What?
I mean, would you want me to?
How would you do it though? Like, oh wow.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Don't let your
I
kids
rebuke
watch
you.
it.
From New York.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh,
I'm from New York.
okay.
I'm grown.
I'm about to come and see you when I come back home.
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro.
Where you at right now?
I'm upstate right now. I'm in college.
Yeah,
What's
bro,
tall you?
see,
Because you look tall.
I'm 6'4".
You're mad tall.
Yes, sir.
5'7". I'm more.
You probably like right here.
You still pick me up and throw me.
Where's your parents at, my nigga?
But listen, that's the end of the video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I appreciate all the support. I love y'all. I need y'all to do me a favor and go like the last video I dropped before this video. I had to re-upload it because YouTube's community guidelines, so I fixed a few parts, put it back up. Hit the like button for me. It was already at like 100K views in like 24 hours. Let's see if we could run it back up a little bit, and I got more videos dropping for y'all soon.
Got too many people watching me. Bye.
Bye. Hey, shout out to Jameer, man. Yo, Jameer out of MT. Big up Jameer. I'm gone, man.